If you are still struggling and even trying all your possible best to make money on Fiverr and Upwork, but after putting all your efforts, after ranking your profile and everything, it still seems don't work, right? I want you to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to expose you to a new environment of opportunity where you can make money as a freelancer. You see, this platform, both Fiverr and Upwork, they are oversaturated and there's a lot of people competing with you on the marketplace. They have more reviews than you, they have more experience, they have more ratings than you, right? Now you are just starting out, you don't have, or you have little to no review, with not strong, even with your strong portfolio, you might still find it difficult to get the job. That's where the struggle is. And if care is not taken, this can kill your freelance journey, right? But in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 secret freelance websites that pays 10 times faster and even way less competitive. So you can even venture into this space, put in the right efforts, and do exactly the same process that I'm going to show you in this video. Then you can get to make money for yourselves. These are exact platforms where smart freelancers launch their gig and they get to make money, get order quietly without any announcement. But in today's video, I'm going to reveal this to you, and this still works perfectly in 2025. And like I said, if you watch this video to the very end, you are going to learn a lot and you can get to understand how you can scale your freelance journey. And if you implement the right action, this can change how you freelance in the online space and how much money you make, right? So if that being said, guys, let me jump on screen and show you something real quick before we proceed, right? First off, if I come over to a similar web right here and I paste fiverr.com in the search bar, you can see right here, Fiverr is getting over 43.5 million visitors every other month. These are the people you are competing with, both buyers and sellers. You can see 43.58 million every single month. This is for May, and by the end of this month, it's going to add that to this particular analytics that we are going to see, right? So let's check for Upwork before I show you this, and you can see the opportunity I'm bringing up to your desk right now. So right now, if I paste this right here, you are going to see Upwork. So let's check Upwork. You can see Upwork is loading right here. So Upwork is generating 35.88 million visitors every single month. You can see how much competitive these are. So with that being said, I'm going to walk you through these 5 freelance websites, and I want you to take it one after the other, list out your service, and get to put yourself out there for people to order you, and you can make cool cash for yourself even as a beginner in freelancing, right? Now, the number 1 website I'm going to talk about is Kwork, right? So if I come over to kwork.com right here, as you can see, so this is like Fiverr structure. So it's almost like Fiverr. And if I come over right here to my similar web extension, you can see the analytics of here. You can see 444,000 people every single month. You can see this is still a good website that you can make money on. This website I just started building, and you can just come over right here. All you need to do is to click on sign up right here. Once you hit sign up, you are going to click on seller, then you put in your account information, then you sign up your account, list out your service, and you are good to go. See, I do not guarantee anything, any sales or anything, but these are the things I've tried that works for me. So I'm revealing them to you so you too can put yourself out there, and visibility pays. Once people get to see you, they get to like you, they get to buy from you. And if you optimize your profile very well, you can use the way I use ChatGPT to do all of these things, or you can even go on over to Fiverr and copy your gig one after the other to this service. To this website, and you can rank and even make more money faster, right? Now, the second website I'm going to talk about is SEOClerks. So if I come over to SEOClerks right here, you can see it's right here. And if I come over to my analytics right here, similar web, sorry, and you can see it's loading, and you can see this is generating 251,000 visitors every single month. So it's still very much, it's not saturated yet. You can just leverage on this and you can make money for yourself. All you need to do is to click on join right here, put in your details, and continue. Even SEOClerks offer an opportunity. I will call it an opportunity because if a buyer pay you on SEOClerks, the money will come straight to your PayPal account and you can use it even when you've not completed the job. I do not know recently, maybe they changed that, but the last time I tried this website, that's exactly how it is, because I choose PayPal as my payment option that I usually accept for this service. Once the buyer launch their order, the money comes straight to my PayPal, and with there I can do whatever thing I want with the money and deliver the job. You understand? But then they still have the encroach on too. But when you get there, all you need to do, put in your username, email address, secure your password, then continue, set up your account and create your seller profile. And if you want me to make a detailed video about each of these platforms, just comment the name of the website that you want me to create a full video about. I'm going to show you how you are going to sign up, how you are going to put out your gig, and how you are going to do everything about that particular website. So drop the comment in the comment section, and let's talk about the number 3 right here. The number 3 I'm going to talk about is almost the popular one again, which is Legiit. Legiit is still a good platform that you can make money. It's still working perfectly, just like Fiverr and Upwork, but here is still like a little lower in competition, right? So if I come over to my analytics again and we check this back end, you are going to see right here we have 239 monthly visitors that is coming to this website, and you can just sign up right here. If you click sign up on this page, you are going to, then you fill in this information, you click on selling, and if you want to do the 2, you click on that, then you agree, then you sign up your account. This is also like Fiverr interface where you can navigate through your gig and all of that. So put yourself out there, right? And the 4th one that I'm going to mention is Freelancer, right? Freelancer is still a good one, but then I know most people don't want to get into this space because they don't know how it works, but it works easily and perfect, right? All you need to do is just know what you want to sell, right? Put everything in action, like I shared with you in the previous video about ChatGPT, how I use it to rank number 1 on Fiverr. So you can use that exact method to list out your gig on all of these platforms, especially Freelancer. You can even use ChatGPT to write your bio and everything about you, your description, yes, your description, so it can optimize and you can get noticed. And when you want to bid for job, this is just like an Upwork, you can use ChatGPT as well to bid for job, and you are going to get hired, right? I know a friend that have made over 250 USD recently on this particular website. So, right, it's still working and everything does work, right? The 5th one that I'm going to share with you, after this 5th one, I'm going to give you one as an extra, and this is going to help you scale a little bit faster if you put in the right action, right? The 5th one that I'm going to talk about is Workana, right? Workana is still one of the freshest freelance platforms that you can be on to make money, even if you are just starting out, right? When I come over to my analytics right here, as you can see, it's still loading up. So you can see right here, 2.4 million visitors every other month. It's still a good one, and you can just click on I want to work, then you click on I want to work as a freelancer, right? So now you explore the projects, you can see what they have attached that you can sign up and get access to. You can see it right there, you can see them. Then you just click register as a freelancer, and you can proceed to your sign up process. So they accept everyone around the world, and you are good with everything that you use, right? The bonus one that I said that I mentioned, before I show you the bonus one, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel. Let us get 2,000 subscribers before this month of June runs to an end. If this can happen, I will be coming over here every other day, replying to every comment in every of my video, and I'm going to be giving a shout out to anybody that I found randomly in the comment section, right? So the 6th one that I'm going to share with you is Toptal. Yeah, I know you might be hearing about Toptal for a while, but then Toptal still does work, and it's something you can leverage on. All you need to do is to come apply as a talent, and you can see right here it's going to load up for you, where you can sign up all of this information right there. You can even use your LinkedIn to sign up, and you can just get gigs on this website. Now let's imagine something together. Let's imagine you take the action right now and you sign up on all these 6 websites, right? And you list out your service. Just imagine you are getting like 3 orders of your $50 service every other month on each of these. That means like you have like 3 times 5, and let's say you are still doing it on Fiverr too. Let's calculate like 1 for Fiverr. You know, 50 times 5 times 10. Like I said, okay, 50 times 15. That's like I said, 3 order every month from each platform, right? So that's $50 times 15, right? Then let's add 1 for Fiverr. That's 16. Now times $50, right? That's how much you can make if you put yourself in multiple places in the online space. Now, I want you to tell me in the comment section which of these websites we are going to try out first, and if you want me to create a full video about each of them, drop the comments in the comment section. I will attend to it, and I'm going to upload the video as soon as possible. If that being said, guys, I want you to remain a subscriber of this channel, because I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of opportunities, a lot of side hustles, a lot of hacks that you can use to scale and make money in the online space. If you put the right action and you follow the information and instruction I'm going to be dishing out on this channel, right? Now, like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel again. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers before this month runs to an end. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video where we talk about another side hustle and how we can make money in the online space. Till then, guys, stay at peace.